www.pressurewasherbits.co.uk. Q Services at eBay. Q Services Limited. What I've simply got here is a 15 metre retractable hose reel. The feed in is 3/8 female BSP standard thread. And that's the swivel elbow. That's where you put your high pressure hose from your machine into the hose reel. Self-retracting. You mount at the back to mount it on to the wall, 2 at that side and also 2 round the other side. High pressure hose goes onto it, and that's take a 3/8, 1 or 2 wire hose, or even quarter. Obviously if you put quarter on, you'll be able to take more hose on there. Thank you very much. Q Services Limited, pressurewasherbits.co.uk.